Ji, assalamu alaikum. Good morning, guys. I just woke up early
Good
today,
morning.
and it's not early. It's already 9:45.
Why you told them?
Before I will do my breakfast, you can see my breakfast is ready, and my noodles are cooking outside, outside kitchen. You can see the noodles are cooking outside kitchen. So I get benefit of this time. So I already cut my ingredients. What I am going to cook now, I receive a gift from my landlord, the owner. She gave me the fish. I'll show you that fish, which I am going to cook today. So I will show you the ingredients. These are the ingredients which I am going to use now. These are five tomatoes, small size, one big size onion, white onion. I slice it like this, and this is the five green chilies. And now you can see this the fish which I received from my landlord, the owner. So this is the fish. I don't know the name of this fish, but I used the Google Lens, and Google Lens and told me that this is the orange spotted spine foot. Wow, so long name, orange spotted spine foot.
I don't know.
So this
In
is the
Tagalog.
I don't know the Tagalog version of this name, the fish name. So I am going to clean it first, and then I'll cook it. I'll show you how to cook it the way we are cooking in Pakistan, and just
That's
wait. Okay guys, I already removed the fin. I will remove the fish eyeballs later. So I do it into slices so then it can cook properly. I have here the rock salt. What I am going to do now, I am going to put the rock salt here. So then what will happen with that, it has the smell, the fish has smell, the smell will gone. I will not cook it till half hour, and half hour it will stay with the salt, the rock salt I am using here, because this is so cheap. I'm not using the refined salt, so this salt is good. Because this is only for removing
Why
the
you
smell.
are explaining each and
Yeah,
everything?
so why I need to use the fine salt? You can see the eyeball. You can see it so clear like a crystal. So this is the fresh fish. That is, whenever you will buy the fish, just see the eyes. If the eyes is so clean and crystal, you can buy that.
Crystal
And
clear
the
water.
most smelly part of the fish is the mouth. I remember
Jaw.
yeah, the jaw is inside the mouth. I remember when I bought the
Tuna jaw.
tuna jaw. Oh my god, I wasted 2,200. I couldn't eat anything there. I don't wanna tell the name of that place, but I couldn't eat. So
Okay.
this is not only salt. I am going to use the vinegar as well.
Okay.
So I will put some vinegar. Both sides. And because I put the vinegar, the salt is already removed, so I will put more salt.
Melted.
Melted or whatever. You already know, guys, my
No need
English
to
language is
explain.
so international. But it's okay, I can manage it still. If you can understand me, I can understand you.
It
That is
depends
enough.
on the scenario.
It depends on scenario, if you can understand me. Okay guys, so see you after half an hour.
Okay.
So I'll finish my breakfast.
Okay.
Okay guys, I already turned on the gas. Now I am going to cook the fish now, and you will see how many ingredients I am going to use while cooking this fish. So Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First I'll put the oil. When the oil is have some heat here, that is the time I'm going to put the ingredients. Bismillah. This is the oil which I use. You can see here, this one is enough. That is more than three tablespoons, more than 3 tablespoons. The oil is already ready. Now I'm going to put this. You can see this here. This is, we are calling it rye. This one only we are using and when we are going to cook the fish, because it has the smell which it has. This is useful to for the fish. You will have no smell if you will use this, so I will use this only one pinch. I'm not going to use so much, so this is only one pinch. And then I have here, you can see this is, we are calling it methi dana, so I will also use this methi dana. I will also going to use this quantity methi dana only, so then fish will have no smell. After putting this, I am going to put the, you can see here, that is cumin seeds, so I will use the cumin seeds. The oil is so much hot, that is why my masala is already not burnt, already brown. So now I am going to use the onion. Bismillah. I will fry this onion, and after, when it will be light brown, that is the time I will put the ginger garlic paste. And before it, I also will use the green chili. I will fry the green chili with the onion. I will fry it light brown, and then I'll put other things. I need more masalas to fry with onion, so I'll show you what I am going to use. This I am going to use the bay leaves, you can see here, so I will use this bay leaves. So these are the 2 small bay leaves. I am going to use this. 1 cardamom, 1 this flower, but we are calling it anise, I think anise flower. We will use this 1 piece. And what next? I have here the cloves. These are the cloves. I will use 3 pieces, 1 2 3. And then I have black pepper, which I am going to use 1 pinch, means 5 or 6 pieces, just for the taste only. Okay guys, you can see the onion is getting light brown. At this time I will put the green chili, so then green chili will have the taste with onion and with oil. Then after some time, 2 minutes, I will fry the green chili with it, just for the enhancing the taste. And after 2 minutes I will put the ginger garlic paste. Green chili is already fried. Now I am going to put the ginger garlic paste, 1 spoon. A bit more I will use. So this is the ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon. I will cook it for 1 minute, and after 1 minute I will put the all other ingredients. I put the pressure of the gas is on low. Now I am going to put the other ingredients. This is the red chili powder. I am not going to use so much. I am going to use only half teaspoon, just because I already used the green chili powder. Oh, green chili, fresh green chili. So this is, and the next thing which I will use here is turmeric, half teaspoon, and coriander powder, which is 1.5 teaspoon. Salt, I will not use so much salt, because you already know I put the salt on the marination. I already put the salt and vinegar, so then the fish will already have the salty taste. So I put only, you can see, only 2 pinch, just for the onion, and fish is already has the salt. So at the end, if we need salt, we can adjust the salt. So at the initial stage, don't need to use so much salt, so then your gravy will not be so much salty. So at this time I will just fry 1 minute all my masalas, and then I will put onion. You can put the onion paste as well, just to get the thick gravy. I don't want to use the thick gravy because I am using another type. I'm cooking another type of fish, so I will use the sliced onion, sliced tomato. Masala already fried. Now I am going to use the tomato. Bismillah. So the tomato will have the water. I will cook it for 5 minutes. So then after 5 minutes the tomatoes will be soft, and that is the time I'm going to use the fish. Okay guys, you can see here I put a bit water because my gravy was about to burn. I put water. Now that is the cup I used, half cup earlier. Now I am going to use 1 more cup of water here. It's looking so watery, but no, that will be finished when my fish will be ready. My fish, you can see here, I already cleaned it. Not me, the Mukaddas Fatima, she cleaned it while I was making the gravy. So now I am going to put it there, and I will cover it for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes the fish is ready. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. You can see the masala is on the bottom side and fish is on the top, so then the fish will not fry. Fish will not burn. After 5 minutes I will change the sides of the fish and I will cover it now. I am going to put the heat is on low medium flame, you can see, and now I am going to cover it for 5 minutes one side and 5 minutes other side. So 10 minutes will be the cooking time of this fish. Okay guys, the 5 minutes is already ready. Now I am going to shift the sides of my fish. Hopefully it will not it is not burnt. Oh wow, that is another experiment. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am going to change the sides only. Then once it will cook, this is the sides guys. One side you can see it's looking already cooked, and later we will finish the water without covering. I'm just going to cook the fish, so then fish will have the taste of all the things which we have. So now I will cover it again for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes, see you after the 5 minutes. The 5 minutes is already completed. I will remove this, and now I will cook without it, so then the water will finish. Wow, what a smell it has. Bismillah. You are seeing this, the separate onion, separate tomato. It is a different type which we are calling it khada masala. So this is the khada masala, so that is why it's looking like this. But after 5 minutes when the water will finish, that is the time you will see it will look so good. And if I will taste it now, bismillah. Wow, the soup is so delicious. Perfectly the one taste I was expecting, the same, that is the same. So I will cook it 5 to 10 minutes, depends on the water condition, and then I'll show you the final look. Look at this guys, I already took out the fish. You can see it's already properly cooked. I don't want to overcook it because it has water and I need to finish the water. Why I want to finish the water? Just because I wanted to have the taste of the fish inside the water, so I cook it like this way. The fish is ready. If I will overcook it, the fish will you will not see fish anymore because it will break into pieces. So you can see the fish is already here, which is already cooked. Now I will just finish the water, then I'll show you what is the final look. The gravy is ready. This is the one I needed. I don't want to dry it more because I will use it with the rice. So I'll put it back the fish which is already cooked, and now I will just show you the final look. So guys, you can see my fish is ready. I already put it back. inside my pan. You can see clearly here the fish is properly cooked with the gravy, and I already tasted it. That is so delicious. The one I was expecting, that is the same. So I tried it first time, and alhamdulillah, mashallah, I am successful. So guys, this is all about for today. I will turn off my gas now, and I will cover it up as well, so it will have a bit steam, so then it will have more taste. So guys, that was our recipe for today. See you in another recipe. Till then, take care. Bye. Allah Hafiz.